or 50 nautical miles altitude.
MAU-11 entering heat constrained trajectory at 50 nautical miles altitude.
MAU-11, your approach is steep. Perform trajectory correction maneuver and get back to reference trajectory. Be careful not to skip. MAU-11, heat rate and total heat load look good. Report back before you hit Qmax. Maximum G load is expected to be 4 Gs based on current Martian weather and atmosphere.
Roger. Report back before Qmax. Back on reference trajectory. Distant phase looking good. Subsonic rotor propulsion on MAU-11 clear for